We got the Coke, guys. It's good. Whoa, sorry. How long have you been standing there for? Welcome to the Techness Corner. I'm your host, Seb Luka. And why don't you step right on in? I got some Coke here. So we're ready to fucking rock and roll. All right. We got an unboxing for you in what is a brand new episode of the Techness Digest. So let's go. All right, the Techness Digest. What episode is it? Yeah, I don't know, but look, let me just go grab something. I'm trying to get the space ready as best I can, so forgive me. Oh, breaking on my legs. All right, let's just, enough with the grunting. Whoa. And there it is. So we can see it now in all its glory. We're going to need from the Techness Digest. Now, so you've got that ready to roll with. And now will come the customary, let's get this camera better angle, will come the opening of the box. We'll pop this monstrosity away for a second. And we'll pull this across for its unveil specific. There it is. And we're going to pull it out, essentially. The most unconventional way to do it. Hopefully it's not cheaper than it feels already. We've got an 8, I need a 9. So, how are you going to pull it out? Essentially, we come to the end of what is our Techness Digest, episode number 3, I believe, or YAWLs. Yeah, it's got plenty of space, guys, and it's stylish. It's contemporary, but for $149, it was a steal when they were about $100 just before. And the white ones wouldn't drop. The white-black one, the black ones were continuously lower, but these ones were holding their price at $199. Peace out. Yeah, Seb Luka is my name. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, because now you know what this case is like. And subscribe button on the way out. Otherwise, you might like something here, or you might hit the sub button just there. All right, guys. Peace out. Bye.